Grenada is a Grenadines-island chain country in the West Indies in the Caribbean Sea. St. George's is the island capital and boasts a picturesque city on a hill. Known as the Spice Island, it is the world's second largest producer of nutmeg and a significant producer of mace, cinnamon, ginger, and cloves. It also boasts beautiful scenery with fertile valleys, rainforests, and mountain lakes, and its tropical climate and excellent beaches are a big draw for tourists. Several diving sites beckon the adventurers who prefer underwater excursions, calling to them with vibrant marine life and unique subsurface features, including an iconic underwater sculpture park. It has two seasons: wet, June to November, and dry, December to May. There is highest rainfall in the wet season. Named after the Spanish, this country with English, French, African and even Indian influences is, for many, the best kept treasure in the Caribbean Sea. This paradise island is like no other, with the beautiful Grenadines beach and the nearby smaller islands of Carriacou and Petit Martinique. Grenada is an island where you can find spectacular waterfalls and beaches, lush botanical gardens, mystic rainforests, and friendly people at every turn.